In this video, we will show you how to install AnyDesk Remote Access desktop software for the home office. You can download AnyDesk at www.anydesk.com. The application needs to be installed on every device you need to access remotely. After downloading, click on the Application tab located on the lower left corner of the screen. The next step is to confirm installation on the device you are currently working with. You can change the installation directory and choose from the available update options. After confirming installation, you must allow the application to make changes on your computer. The installation finishes once you grant permission, and the application is ready to run in the new window. After the welcome message, which can be closed, you need to set up the application on the particular device you currently use. You can close the screen. We swap back to the AnyDesk app window and then select the Settings tab. You will find it on the very upper right corner of your screen. After clicking the Settings button, you will notice the list of setting options in the vertical column by the left side of your screen. Choose the Security option. The next step is to unlock security settings. Please click the red button. After clicking the red button, a small screen appears. Please confirm Allow Changes by confirming Yes again. After confirmation, you will be taken back to the Settings window. In the Interactive Access section, please mark Allow Always. The next step is to set up unattended access. Choose that option as it allows you to control the remote device permanently without the need for manually accepting the request on the remote device. After enabling it, we are automatically directed to set our original password. Type in your new personal password. It should contain letters, numbers, and at least one special character. The password should have a minimum of 8 characters. Mind the importance of it, as giving it away provides full control of your computer to anyone who has it. AnyDesk software works on banking standard TLS 1.2 level type security. Your password assures no unauthorized access. Now we can close the security settings window. Next, we proceed to licensing the application. The left column shows the settings menu. Please click on License Key. The License Key window appears. You will find your original license key after logging in to your account on the website www.anydesk.com. On the website, log in by clicking the Login button located on the very top right corner of the screen. In the Login window, please fill out your username and password information, which is found in the email. You will be automatically redirected to the license window. Here, you get your original license key. We copy the key to paste it in the next step. To proceed, please swap back to the application by clicking on the Application tab on the panel below. In the application window, you will notice the license bracket already opened. Please paste the license key into the bracket, then proceed by clicking the green button, Register License Key. After successful registration announcement, you can close the settings by clicking on the X on the tab located on the left side of the application screen. Do not click on the X at the very upper right window, since that would close the application. After closing the settings, we appear at the basic screen of the application, which is now licensed and ready for the remote access control. You must install the AnyDesk application on every device you would like to work with. In the top left corner of the screen, you see the number address of the device you have installed your AnyDesk application. This is your unique ID, generated specifically for the particular PC device, the address by which it can be remotely accessed.